Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make a very simple effect in Procreate. It's how to make an inlaid type of look, or as if something's like pushed into something. Here I have a blue circle on a background. The circle's on its own layer, and you can do this with any shape, any object. I'm going to swipe that to the left and duplicate that layer. Make sure I'm on the bottom version of that layer. Go to adjustments, use saturation and brightness, drag my brightness all the way down. Go back to adjustments, Gaussian blur, and I'm going to blur that bottom layer, and you can see the black edges coming out and giving it that rounded look as if the blue button is pressed into the light blue. You don't want to do it too much, but get it the look that you want. If you want to make it more intense, just duplicate that layer and it'll become more intense. If it's too intense there, just lower the opacity of one of those layers until it's the way you want it to look. And it's just that simple. Hope you found this video useful. Thanks for liking, subscribing, and I'll see you next time.